Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix story archive not working on Instagram. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Instagram and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find the home section, search, reels, and lastly right here you're going to find your profile page. So basically, guys, right now, in order to go to your archive, go ahead and click on the icon in the top right corner. And then right now, under how you use Instagram, you're going to find saved. And under it, you're going to find your archive. Click on archive. And then here, you're going to find all of the stories that you posted before. So basically, guys, if you don't find your previous stories here in your archive, then first of all, try to just log out from your account, then try to log in again. This might be just enough to fix your problem. And if you still have that problem, then go ahead and search for Play Store or App Store on your phone. And then once you do that, you're going to be right here. So once here, go to the search section, click on the search bar and search for Instagram. After you find Instagram, go ahead and click on it. And then right here, you're going to find two options, uninstall. And right next to it, you're going to find update or open. So basically, if you find update button available, this means that you don't have the latest version of Instagram. So you need to update your application. So just click on updates and wait for the update to finish. And once the update has finished, click on open. This will take you back to Instagram and then this should fix your problem. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.